Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again and go to Status, and here we have to localize, or actually not status, because we have to localize the build number, and sorry I missed that. The build number is right under the IMEI number, so keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode, like here, and then go back to the previous section. Then let's go to System and Update, and as you can see at the bottom we've got the developer options, so let's open. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can force the desktop mode, you can turn the option to don't keep activities, here you can change view updates, window animation scale, etc. So a lot of options. So to turn on the option you have to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher at the very top of the screen, and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the System and Update settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.